Hello, hello, and welcome to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia from Virginia.
All right then, today.
So everybody knows Abe, and I'm John. And next to Abe is my mom and her dear friend Ruth Ann.
Okay.
So
this is Mary Jo.
Mary Jo.
Hello.
And this is Ruth Ann.
Yes.
Say
All right,
hi.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? All right. So what are we gonna do?
Okay, so today we are going to cook something. Salmon. This is her recipe, but then we're gonna combine with one of Indonesian seasonings and how it's gonna turn out.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright then, so you're gonna explain how you make it and all of that stuff. And then we're gonna mix with one of the seasonings. So what do we have here?
We have
Oh, okay, so we have salmon here.
nice fresh
So,
salmon.
what do you think? Like, how many ounce this? Maybe like
Ounces?
yes.
Oh gosh, that I can't really guess at it.
Just
because
guess
this is heavy.
Maybe like I don't know, like 10 ounce.
Okay.
Probably 10
Yeah,
ounce.
Okay,
probably
okay.
10 ounce.
Okay.
So, how do you used to make this? I mean, you mix with what?
I mix it with olive oil,
Okay.
lemon juice.
Yes.
All right, let me oil my pan first.
Okay.
I like to do that first.
Yeah, okay.
Come on in, Ruth Ann. You help me.
Yes.
I'm gonna spray it right here
Okay.
so it doesn't stick.
That's fine. So,
Shall I go ahead and put this in the pan
okay.
like so?
Okay.
Okay. Get this out of the
Yeah.
way. Now, the butter.
Yeah. How do you do the butter?
I do the butter
On the top?
on the top.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yep.
I'm just going to do it with my fingers.
Yes.
Okay. So I rub it down really, really good.
Now, we will mix with Indonesian sauce. So we're gonna pour the sauce on the top of your
Okay.
salmon,
Okay.
and then we just bake it.
Wonderful.
Then we're gonna use, what do we have here? We have yellow seasoning, we have white, Samoa, merah. Okay, so we're gonna use the yellow seasoning.
Okay.
This yellow seasoning, it's the second important basic seasoning in Indonesia. So
okay.
they have a deeper flavor. So they have coriander, turmeric, exactly, because that's why it's
Yellow.
a yellow.
Oh, it's yellow.
And then garlic, ginger.
Garlic is good for you
Yes,
too.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so take a look at the consistency of the seasoning. It's very thick and smells very herby.
Oh, that smells good.
Yes, and then they have that kind of fibers. Yeah.
Right.
Okay, for this big of fish, let's do 3 spoons.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 spoons. And we didn't make this seasoning with a lot of salt, so we're gonna leave it to you guys when you cook. So you can put more salt, so depending on what the saltiness that you guys like.
I don't really put a lot of salt on my fish.
Okay, so do you want to try this, the chicken one? Okay, let's,
Put it on, sprinkle it on it
yeah,
here.
or we can mix here.
Okay.
Yeah, mix here a bit. Okay, and then you put your onion here.
Okay.
Onion, tomatillos, and green peppers.
peppers.
Okay, and then you mix it. And then we can always taste.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Let me try.
We have a couple more spoons.
I'm going to just do this. Yummy.
Can I try? Yeah.
Oh, that's good. It really is.
You can put more salt. More salt here.
Is that salt?
Oh, no, the chicken salt. Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Chicken bouillon.
Yeah,
Right, the bouillon.
Yeah.
That's where I was getting confused.
Or you can put just a normal salt, that's fine. If you need more salt when it's cooked, so you can
Sprinkle it on
yeah,
there.
sprinkle on. All right, then, so we're gonna put on the top of this. Okay.
It goes further than you think.
Yes, it does.
All right then.
And it's pretty.
And you can put any kind of veggies here. If you like veggies with your fish, just make with this and then put on the top of the fish. Okay.
Beautiful.
All right then. Do you have like a basil or something?
Basil,
Yeah.
probably up in that cabinet.
Okay. See if you have basil. Basil. Let's see. What do you have here? Yeah, that's basil.
Yep.
Yeah. Up. So. Yeah. Yeah.
Like
Basil.
basil.
Okay, so we're gonna put basil on the top. Okay.
That brings the flavor out more.
Yeah.
And it's pretty.
There you go. We are good. Then now it's cooking time.
Okay. So we have the oven at 300.
300, yes, 320.
320.
325. Okay.
So in she goes.
There she goes.
There she
There
is.
she
And we're going
go.
to check it at
How many minutes? 25 minutes.
25 minutes. And I take a fork and flake it at 25 minutes.
Okay.
And then if it's not loose, I put it back in for about 5-10 minutes. That's it.
All right then.
All
So
right.
we're gonna wait 25 minutes.
To enjoy, I do
Yes. Cut. All
know.
right
Okay,
then.
here comes
All
our
right.
fish.
So the moment of truth. Let's see.
It's not only beautiful to look at, but I think it's going to be awesome to eat. How is this? It's lovely. Absolutely lovely.
Yum.
Yummy, yummy.
Okay, let's take a look.
Take a check.
A little check here. Perfect. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it part. Look at that. Perfect. Awesome.
sizzling.
Still
Sizzling.
sizzling. From Virginia.
From Virginia.
All right then. Sit. Be careful, that's hot.
Somebody bring that plate to me.
Yes. Huh? Yeah. Take a look at that.
Come to me.
Come to mama.
Come to mama. Okay. Little left over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, need that.
Don't want to lose any of it. All the flavors. This one wants to stay in the pot. One more try. Okay, I
There you
won.
go.
I won.
Be careful, that's hot, hot, hot.
Let it cool off.
Oven off too.
That's beautiful.
Okay.
Glory. Isn't that gorgeous?
Yes, it looks really good.
Ruth Ann, would you like some?
I will
Yes.
take a piece. Thank you.
There you go. Abby, would this be okay with you?
Yeah.
And we do a little bit more cutting here. Cut it this way this time. Okay, you have a destination. Hang on there. There you go. Let's get a little bit of this left over in here.
Okay.
Well, this is fighting me. But I won again. I won again.
Okay.
Perfect. Perfect.
All right.
That's it.
Looks good.
It is. I cheated. I tasted it.
Yes. Okay.
It's recording.
Let's try.
All right.
Good.
Do you guys want some rice here?
I do.
Okay.
That's good.
Ruth Ann?
So that be fine.
got the smaller piece. I can switch with him.
No, that's fine. Come on.
All right, so we've got a fried rice that he did, and we also have another rice that we are going to dig into as well.
Brown rice.
A brown rice.
With butter.
Okay,
Okay, guys.
Moment of truth.
Try it.
bon appetit.
Bon
Let's
appetit.
try it.
Tea.
So this is the salmon with the Bumbu Kuning. Mm.
This
And a little bit of the rice.
is like dessert. Absolutely superb.
It's very good.
That is very good.
So what do you taste there? Like anything specific?
It's smooth. It's so many tastes in it. You can't really combine. But what's in there is perfect. It's absolutely almost like dessert.
It's not salty.
No,
Not
No.
salty at all.
nothing wrong with it.
What we like is that, you know, we allow the herbs and stuff that
Right.
that he makes the seasonings with to be the flavor with just a touch of salt. You know, we try to use very little.
Okay.
It's not overwhelming the salmon. It's got a nice mixture of flavor with the salmon, I think.
And it is cooked perfectly. Plate's just perfect.
It's good.
It is very good.
It's not sakale.
It's not dry. It's tasty.
Yeah.
Full of flavor. I could have this again.
Very healthy.
And the salmon is not drying out at all. It's just as moist and nice.
Try.
Think so?
Yep. Good. You taste the basil there, the herbs, the acid is there, the sweetness. Because sometimes salmon has a very strong taste,
Yes.
but with this combination, they balance with each other. Okay, this works. You guys better try this for what is coming next? Christmas. We have Thanksgiving
Yeah.
for your family dinner.
It is really good.
So I'm done already. You're still recording, right?
Yep.
Okay, guys.
I think that's it for today.
Another meal done here. These guys are all slow, and I'm finished.
We're savoring the flavor as we eat it.
I just, I can't, it's hard for me to eat slow when it's this good.
Okay. Then don't forget to
Subscribe, share,
and like,
Like,
and of course try this at your house or home.
yeah. Krakatoacuisine.com, 17,000flavors.cooking. You can go and buy the seasonings there, or stop by the restaurant. We have all of it right there, and we can, if you have any questions, we can either communicate email, or if you come by the restaurant, we can talk to you there. We'd be happy to talk to you about it. So, thanks again for watching from Virginia, and that's it.
We're gonna move. Yeah, this is the first time we do our cooking video in Virginia.
On the road.
On the road. And who knows, next we're gonna move to another state. Do the cooking
Yeah.
seasoning.
Well, thank you for trying out first time because it turned out wonderful.
it did.
Yes.
You're,
Very
Awesome.
good.
you're invited anytime.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.